in Manila. Manila, Philippines. And it's so what? It's so hot. It's so hot. Nagreklamo na sila.
Water park.
No, we're not going to water park yet. So maybe, huh? Ang traffic. Punta kami ng Glorieta. We're going to Glorieta, right, Holly? And it's really hot. Really, really hot.
Dad did bless you.
It did not.
Yeah.
Oh, don't touch that, Holly.
Boy, look at Holly touching. Holly, don't.
Are you singing? Punta kami ng Glorieta. This is our second day. So, bibili lang kami ng ano. What we're gonna buy, Kuya? Slipper. For you and for Kuya and Holly. Dinosaur. Are you singing?
Superman.
No. This is our first. No, it's not second day. First day. We arrived yesterday, so this is our first day in Manila. First day in Manila. Are you singing? Bawal manigarilyo.
I want Joker liquid.
Ang init. Yung tipong kaligo mo lang. Tapos paglabas mo, pawis ka na. Tapos ayan guys. Ang trademark ng Manila, traffic. Yeah, traffic.
Batman then dinosaurs. That older thing.
What's that, Zach?
On dinosaurs, then Batman, then Joker, then
Okay, and
Joker.
Joker.
then Superman, then
Here, Holly. Here,
Batman.
Holly. Don't touch it.
That older.
Okay. Oh, gusto niya yun. What? Why are you yawning?
Then dinosaur too.
So kahapon ang sarap ng dinner namin. Pumunta kami ng Aristocrat. And we had, what we had, crispy pata. Did you love crispy pata?
No.
Crispy, the crunchy one. The pork. Did you like the pork?
Yes.
Yes, and what else? Rice, and what did you have for dessert?
I play.
With what?
Banana split.
Banana split. Oo,
How
yun.
you know that?
So, yeah, punta ng Glorieta. We'll see you in a bit.
Sit down, Zachy boy.
My heart.
You'll be right.
Hi, Zach.
Hey, Mom.
Look at me. Say hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Say it nicely. Yeah.
No, we don't need this.
Oh, Zach's pants like that.
I know. He can't wait for Sandro to see. Do you really miss your cousin, Zach? Sandro.
I really want to go in the pool.
This is it here, isn't it? Just
Yeah, almost. Yeah.
Glorieta.
Everyone, what the
There it
people
is.
playing our cars?
Glorieta.
Oh,
wanna check you. Hi. Good morning pa lang, ha? Is it good morning pa? What time is it? Only? Kala ko hapon na. Taxi kasi 200 yung binayad niya. Walang metro. Ang lapit lang. 200 pesos. Dito na kami. Punta muna kayo dito sa Zara kasi may sale. Yes? Slippers? I don't think so they have a slippers here. Wait, who want to push Holly?
Me.
Okay, push Holly.
I'm not pushing on.
So, tingin-tingin.
By the water goes up there.
Is it fit, Holly? Oh, yan na yan pinakamaliit. Pero patingin, ano mo. What do you think, babe? Is still...
What are those?
That's the smallest one. Oh, this is jelly. This is the one. Konti lang naman. I think it will be alright, hon. Yes, this one, it's good. Ha? Bahala ako. So yeah, look. It's soft. And it's airy. Airy ba ang tawag doon? Wow! First time mo, Holly? Wow! Tinititigan niya. So yan na, kunin ko yan. Ito kunin namin. Yeah. Are you sleepy? Inaantok na si Holly, oh. May nabili na kami para sa kanya. Sa Zara, yung sandals. Jelly ba yan tawag niya? Yeah, medyo malaking konti, pero okay lang. Sana, walang ano. Size nito. Ay, malalaki to. Sige, yan na lang para kahit anong clothes. Do you like it, Holly? You like it? Si Zach, nakahanap siya ng Spider-Man. What size is that?
5.
Yeah, it's alright, Is it small?
We'll have a look.
Come here.
Look how big that t-shirt's on.
Because that one is size 6.
Huh?
This one is 6.
Yeah, we'll try this one 6.
Okay na? Okay, pabayad na lang. Okay. Ah, sige. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Say bye-bye. 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 Come on.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man? Okay. How about you, Kuya?
Where's our slipper? Yours is? Where's our slipper? Look at what
Mickey Mouse, Holly, oh. Wow, Holly, you want this? Oh, yung cute, oh. Shoulder bag ni Holly. Ang arte ni Holly.
When we go to
Sandro?
Dumbo house.
No, you hold to hold yours.
For me?
Put it hang over there. Here, hang it here. Lola! Ayaw ni Jong, type ko siya pero sabi ni Jong parang Lola daw. Lola ba? Parang cute niya nga eh. It's nice, honey. Lola ba siya? It's nice, it's like...
So you go to work in the morning. Is it alright?
No, it's just like a casual.
Mommy and Dad.
Para raw lola. Magkano siya? 2,295. How about this one, Han? Do you want me to wear this? Ito daw type niya. Ito daw ang biling ko. Ano naman to? Napaka-bright. 795. Talaga to, para ayaw niya lang kasi parang lola daw. Lola ba?
Isa na lang yan.
Lola ba? You don't like it?
I might try.
Ayaw ni Jan kasi lola daw. Pero gusto ko yung kulay niya kasi beige.
There you go.
Maganda kaya. Kaso see-through. Ay. Is it see-through, Han? Can you see mo? Huh? You found some good spot, babe.
Zachary.
Oh, sarap.
I see the light inside your eyes. You make me feel like I'm awake. I don't know why you make me shine like a star in the sky. I'm okay.
Because light, like
I'll be there for you. Call me when you're lonely. Dancing on the roof. It feels like rendezvous. You know what to do. Keep your love for me only. I get high on you. Yeah, you. Hey, baby. Kiss me hard. Don't kill my vibe. All my feelings on fire. It's all time. Hey, baby. Kiss me hard. Don't kill my vibe.
maybe I should try that one, honey. I'll try that one. Maganda siya kasi very light talaga, oh. Very comfy. Magkano ba to? 2,295 pesos. Maganda siya, oh. Kaso parang see-through. Ay, parang see-through siya. Hindi, patingin ko kayo dyan. Babs. Is it see-through? At pa? Yeah. But I like it nice. Touch it. Okay. Yeah. You can see? See-through daw. Ano pa pwedeng ilagay dito? Huh?
What are you doing?
I am trying this. Gusto niya, kaso see-through siya, oh. First time ko mag-outfit of the day. Ito ang suit ko. Top siya na parang dress na white na sa Express siya. Tapos eto, napili ko to sa Cotton On, $19. Yung parang may balahibo. Tapos yan. So, kasi ang init dito sa Pinas. So, dapat yung comfortabling damit ang susutin mo. May tiyan pa ako. Lalaki pa to kasi kakain ako ng kakain pag uwi ko ng Bicol. Ito yung damit. Gusto ko to kaso see-through siya. Nakikita yung underwear mo. So, pinag-iisipan ko paano kaya. Nabilang ko lang yung mga bata. Si Sasha kasi Holly. Yung dress, pinag-iisipan ko pa. Yes, come on. Kung kukunin ko kasi nga, ano siya, parang kita yung kaluluwa mo. Yan, labas na kami ng Zara. So baby. Okay, let's go. Yeah, we're looking. May chinalas kayo dito? For kids? For kids? Okay, thank you.
Baba.
Where's the doll? Where's Zachary? Just follow us. Come on. Are you a cowboy? Come on, oh. Holly. We're here. It's the kids station. Papa! For who? For the kids. TJ don't. Wala. Oh yeah, they need this one. It's too bright.
That's what you want. Same as doing
Daddy! Mom, I don't want them.
Yeah, I know. You need the what you call that? The
Do you want
sandal.
one for swimming? Which one? No, I want that one. That one.
Which one? What color you want, Kuya? Oh, it's too bright. It's too bright, huh?
I'm sure.
That's 10 to 12, TJ.
May size ba kayo nito, ate?
I think.
How about this one?
No. There you
Sure.
go. This one with shark.
Maybe white one.
That's too big, TJ.
Walang size. How about that one? Anong size nun, ate?
No, it's too big.
No, it's different one. It's smaller. Okay, patingin po, ate. How about you, Saka? You want if this one's you want white one? The short. Yeah, I will. They're not fat pads. So one. How about Zachary? How about you, Zach? Ito maganda. Off shoulder siya. Pa tayong isa. Ha? Oh, that's nice, huh? Wala na nito ating ano? Slowly.
Mom, take another one. Mom, take another one.
Zach. Two slices for 75 pesos na may drink. Hi, my baby. You should have that here. Vicky? Yeah, Daddy will get you some. Say ta. Ta. Suot niya na yung tsinelas niya.
What's that? What are you into about that?
Drink.
Here.
Nagutom sila. Sak! Ang kulit mo, Sak. Kulit. Are you two here? May grocery daw dito.
Where?
Ate, ba't saan yung grocery dito? Ate?
Sa basement po.
Basement. Saan yung... Okay, push up. Make sure you don't bang anything, yeah? Now we're going down. Slowly, Zachary. Zach, slowly. Zach, stop. Zach, stop. Yung grocery, ate, sa baba. Down? Okay, go. Hoy, hoy, hoy.
This way.
Oh, down din pala. Sa grocery store, ate. Thank you.
You can't press it. Someone else here to press it.
That's right. Thank you. Zach, push, Holly. Smells good here. Food court. grocery, right? Punta kayo na, hinahanap namin yung grocery. Yung grocery dito. Saan kaya? Food court to eh. So,